Hello and welcome to Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. My name is Ashley.Lundy and today I'm going to show you a little bit about this guy behind me. This is a brand new from Winnebago, a 2021 model year. This is a Spirit 31H floor plan, and the great thing about this is that it has bunk beds in it or a lot of extra closet space, whichever you prefer. This particular one has a nice full body paint upgrade on it, and it also has a nice upgrade in one touch button automatic hydraulic leveling jacks, which is pretty rare on these. You also get nice pass-through storage and side cameras as well as rear camera. So this one is very nice. We're going to go ahead and go inside and take a look at what it's got to offer. So inside this beautiful Spirit 31H, we have a beautiful new gray tone furniture. We have a U-booth that can turn into a bed, as well as the front bed over the cab and then your queen bed in the rear. This particular model actually has an upgrade of theater seats instead of a sofa, so very comfortable while you're watching TV. Of course, you do have your 3-burner propane stove, oven, nice large sink and counter space. And further back, you'll see the bunk beds. You also have a rod at the top, so if you prefer to use that as closet space, you can do that as well. And unlike many models in this length, this one actually has a bathroom all in one room, not across the hallway, with a quite large shower. They did really well designing this one. And in the bedroom, there is plenty of additional drawers, wardrobe space, and a second TV, and even some counter space. There's also plug-ins if you have a CPAP machine or to charge your cell phones at night. This is a gorgeous unit, brand new off the line, this 2021 model, and I'd love to show it to you in person. Thank you so much for watching our video on this brand new Winnebago 31H. If you have any questions or would like to stop on in and take a look for yourself, please don't hesitate. You can stop on by and ask for Ashley, or you can call, text, or email me directly. My direct number is 541-337-2387, and I look forward to speaking with you. Thank you so much for watching.